Incremental readings. That is that last video of the Pleasurable guide to SuperMemo. And the title, I'm not going to mention it now, but at the end, is what I always say at the end of the videos, right? And it's very ironic because when I created I was thinking about the course, I already decided that this will be the title of the last video. You know, like the typical YouTuber who has been on the platform for more than a decade, creating a lot of videos, and then they finally decided to stop, to retire. But when they record the last video, it's like bittersweet because they still enjoy it. It's that they are burned out, or just they don't need it because they are rich or wealthy. I feel more or less like this. Keep in mind, I have done more than 800 videos for this course and more than the double for this channel, only for SuperMemo. This is a lot. There are more than 200 hours published in my channel covering SuperMemo. And eventually decided that, hey, I don't know why, when I see incremental greetings, sooner or later I said, hey, see incrementally like a greeting, right? And this is what I want to convey. Because this is the end of this, let's say, evergreen content, this course. Meaning that even if it's one-sided, you could see incrementally. Because you're going to see more videos, more content of me, right? Or not. Or you're going to see one of the articles I publish, or one of the tweets I publish, or whatever. You never know. And even to go even deeper, is even let's say that I pass away. You could say see incrementally one-sided. I have experienced this. I had followed content creator for more than 15 years. I have seen him aging. He was not sharing much of his life. He had a topic. I don't want to say the YouTuber. He had his own topic of the channel, and he stayed on the content. But sometimes one anecdote to explain the cultural difference or whatever, something like that. So anecdote with anecdote, you get some of the personal insights from his life, right? So you have this feeling that you get to know that person because you have seen him speaking, behaving for hours, that even if there's no interaction, you think you know this person. Oh, if he will watch this video or listen to this song, will react this way. Or you get really used to his speaking mannerism, that you could recognize an imposter or AI mimicking the content creator, right? So even if it's like this, it will be nice. So it's not an end, it's not a goodbye, never see you again, because you can watch any of the content I created anytime in the future. It's always incremental. And that's the premise of my life. An incrementalist lifestyle. And it's never a goodbye. It's always see you incrementally. What we're not going to know, most of us we're not going to know, is which will be the last repetition. Because we pass away, basically. So that was the purpose of the course, to be evergreen. That even if I pass away, here you have all of the content you will ever need. You are not able to get tutoring from me, but you could do it for someone else. Or perhaps it's not, or even you can become a tutor if you want. The only secret is just sheer passion. So as Piotr Wozniak told me in his own words, I had out-pleasured him. I created a ton more content for SuperMemo than the official channel. And all of those videos will be soon in the official documentation with the text. There will be videos linked. Not embedded, but linked. So it will be forever there. And my secret has been pleasurability. The time I have put. So if I discovered a lot of holes, bugs, perks that are not actual features but bugs you can exploit for repurposing the features, and so on, is because I have done systematically pushed every single thing I can think of, SuperMemo. I have been very systematic with Notion, like the second brain, to have a reference of every thought I ever had. So it's absolutely massive. Keep in mind, what you have seen is a selection of a selection of a subset of the SuperMemo. It's a tiny piece. That doesn't mean you need to do all of that. That's actually the purpose of the course. Let's say I have seen the entire thing. Let's say Earth. That's what is valuable to look at. Pam, pam, pam. Then there's in returns. Pam, pam, pam. Other than that, it's not worth your time. I already invested this time. So believe me, it's not worth your time. So the only thing left to say is, for one last time, see you incrementally.